Alright, so super easy project today. Gate latch. This gate doesn't have a stop on it, so it's able to swing past, which means that it can, all the pressure is put onto this little latch, but these are just made of cheap cast now. They're all honeycomb inside, so it's no wonder it broke. So just going to, I'll be welding this back on here, and then also I'm going to weld a stop on here so that it stops on that post. So yeah, good little Sunday morning task. We'll break out the stick weld. I haven't used that in a while. Alright, so I've just got it clamped in here. I've got my earth on. I'm just going to put a tack in the middle here, take off this clamp, and then make sure it sits where I want it to sit, and then I'll weld it up. Hopper, been a while. Been a while. I might just put one more on. Hold it. Alright. Bloody perfect. Alright. See how I'm not, it's a bit hard for you to see, but this earth clamp's not good. The new earth clamp, which is why I'm not getting a good arc to start, which is why it was sticking before. Just not quite where it needs to be. Alright, so the rest of this thing's just, that's junk. That's just fallen apart. I'm done with that. So I just found up a bit of Rio here. I'll just weld that up onto there and I'll give it a lick of paint, and that will never go anywhere. So let's get that welded. It's hot. all the years I've been welding, I just grab the top of the gate and incinerate it, where I just welded and incinerated my fingertips. Look at that. Go up. Alright, so I've just given that a lick of paint, as you can see. I'm back on the iPhone because the GoPro battery's gone flat. Let me know what you think, please, in the comments. Do you prefer the iPhone quality or the GoPro? I'm actually finding the iPhone's way better for this sort of thing where in close detail, and like with the drone, the GoPro was not quite there. So anyway, I've given that a lick of paint, and then this one up here, put that up on there. So we'll just let that dry off a bit, but basically what happens now, it's good. So what happens is this stop hits that timber before, I'm not really going to give you, but before that pin hits the back of the catch. Otherwise what happens is all the pressure is directly translated into that and it broke off. So look, these welds aren't the best welds. That little welder I think is almost past its use by date, that stick welder. So I will be getting another one, and I will do a video on stick welding because I think a lot of people are interested. It's just, I love the feeling that you get from it. So anyway, that's another little project just wrapped up. Let me know if you want to see more of that kind of thing, because I enjoy breaking out the older style tools, the stick welder and that sort of thing, to just to fix up stuff like this. There's just something about getting back to the way it was done when it was done properly. That's the thing that we're missing a lot of now, is stuff being done properly and made properly, as we can see with that gate latch is made of low quality cast and just breaks. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.